If your fixed assets are insured, you can create insurance policies in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's now have a look how we can do this. And first thing first, I'm going to tell me and search for insurance policies. Okay, here I can see that in my demo company I already have some insurance policies. So let me create a new one. So I'll select new. And then here I will write, for example, machinery insurance. In the insurance vendor number, I can select some of the vendors that we using for insurance, but this is just an informative field, so nothing will be posted on this vendor when you are using insurance. So let's use, for example, not publisher. Let's put effective date January 1st until 31st of December. And then I can select one of the insurance type that we can use later on in filters and reports and so on. So let me create a new insurance type. So I'll select new one and I'll put machinery. And then I'll write also machinery here. And I'll select machinery and select OK. In policy, I can select and write my policy number. So for example, P09876. Okay, in premium, I can select and write what is my annual premium that I have for this policy. And maybe one of the important field is the policy coverage, which is actually the main purpose of the whole insurance is to monitor coverage of fixed assets. Let's put here 500,000 for our policy coverage. In a fixed asset class, I can select tangible, and inside the fixed asset subclass, I can select equipment. And I can also select a fixed asset location code if needed. And this is how easy it is to create a new insurance policy inside Dynamics 365 Business Central. And later on, we are going to use some of the insurance policies in other demos and videos.